I need that in my life right now.
Oh gosh, you need Jesus.
Finding a lifetime partner is not something you wake up one morning and decide to do.
I don't have feelings for him. You mean to tell me that all the girls you're going out with, none has connected to your soul?
Rush into the bathroom. I'll tell you when to come out, okay?
Go, let me tie you. Let me tie you.
How dare you lie to me?
It's my voice. I'm not denying it, but it's not what happened. I can explain.
Lisa, I trusted you.
You date men that hit women?
Come on, shut up there, your mouth before I simultaneously come out for your age now.
What do you think that you be? Oh, because you don't get out of 10 months, you go to say one chance. I go one boy, you don't reason. You don't fit time me for this level you come. Not think calm. You don't